Hello viewers, welcome to Farms to Families channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I will be preparing adai in a mug. Adai batter is normally a multi-dal batter, but I have incorporated mixed vegetables and prepared it in a much healthier version in a mug. We normally serve adai with jaggery and butter. It tasted excellent. For this recipe, we'll be using Farms to Families adai batter. The adai batter already is prepared with multi dal, spices, and chili. It comes in a convenient Ziploc bag. It does not contain any preservatives, artificial flavors, sodas, and it's prepared with RO purified water. All the ingredients are natural and very healthy for everybody. Batters are delivered to your doorstep. The contact information will be listed in the description box below this video. Also visit us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more information. Let's look into all the ingredients required for the recipe and get started. This recipe serves 4 people. Add a batter, finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped carrot, finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped spring onion, finely chopped curry leaves, sweet corn, coriander, onion, finely chopped onion, finely chopped chilies, grated ginger, cumin seeds, black gram dal and chana dal, mustard seeds, asafoetida. I've heated a wok on medium flame to cook the veggies first. We need to soften the veggies. We have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, I've added mustard seeds and allowed it to splutter. We have also added black gram dal and chana dal, which will cook along with the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds stop spluttering, that's when you need to add cumin seeds and fry all the ingredients. We'll add the onion and fry for a minute's time. We'll add grated ginger, curry leaves, asafoetida, and fry for few seconds. We'll add green chilies, and fry for few seconds. Now the onion is transparent. We'll start adding the veggies. We have added the finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped carrot, capsicum, corn, spring onion. We'll fry all the ingredients. Now the veggies have fried. I've added salt as per taste. The veggies have softened and it's fried. Vegetable mixture can be added to adai batter. I've added salt and fried the vegetables for few seconds and removed it from the flame and allowed it to cool down completely. Once the vegetable mixture has reached room temperature, I've added the vegetable mixture to the adai batter. We have added coriander leaves and combined the vegetable mixture in the adai batter. Check for salt and add salt if required. You can use any molds for this recipe. I'm using a mug. I've greased the mug with few drops of oil. We ladle the batter in the mug. These are microwave safe mugs. Once the batter is ladled in the mug, we have placed it in the microwave and we'll be cooking this for 10 minutes. This is on high speed. You can see that the batter has cooked and it is puffed. We'll recheck it by inserting a knife or a skewer. If it is still wet, we'll cook it for another minute's time. Now the batter has cooked. Nutritious and healthy adai in a mug. You cannot beat this. It's a perfect dish to be served for breakfast or for evening tiffin. We traditionally serve it with butter and jaggery powder. Try this wonderful recipe and post your comments. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. All our batters are delivered to your doorstep. The contact information will be given in the description box below this video. Do visit us on our website and social media. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, do comment, like and subscribe to our channel. We will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you for watching from Farms to Families team. Bye-bye.